Well, it started out as a normal flight, checking out my quad after I rebuilt it and put some new props on it. And I'm just putting it through a few paces, a roll, a flip, and I'm coming around through the trees, and there's my first surprise. There's this Yahoo right there sitting in the sun inside the airfield that's clearly marked. And of course I crashed. So I try to use turtle mode, get it set up right, flipping it over. Okay, we're up. And I sound the beeper just to tell the guy, get out of here. This is a dangerous place to be sitting. And I flipped it again. Okay, I'm back up again. Turtle mode works great. And then out of the field, I'm starting to take off, and then I see, oh, and I flipped it over because I was startled by this guy walking towards me. And then suddenly I'm about to Armageddon. There he is. This guy comes out of nowhere. I can't see him. I got my goggles on at the time. And he just picks me up. I mean, I don't know where he's going. So I sound my beeper. You know, put me down. You know, I'm dangerous. So what does he do? He picks it up again and starts walking towards me, even though I got the beeper on. And he's really too far for me to holler at. I am probably a good couple hundred feet away. He's walking towards me. I'm walking towards him. I'm leaving the buzzer on to say, put it down.
For real? That's just...
I appreciate you were trying to help, but you really almost got yourself badly hurt. Yeah, because
I realized here we had a nice guy who was just trying to help me out, but I wanted to very politely explain to him that this was very dangerous for him. I can't see him through the camera. I don't know that he's there, and I was just about to turn on the propellers, and I would have chopped his fingers up into a terrible mess. Not to mention, I could have also flown right into his face and done some really nasty damage to him, and I would have felt really bad if I had done that. So in the future, just realize these are not children's toys. These are adult toys. If you see one down, you can just wave at me. I'll see you and I'll come and get it, but do not try and pick it up. It's just not worth it, even though your intention is good. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'm Joel LikeCatcher. If you liked it, please like the page, leave me a comment, and yeah, hit that bell so you'll know when I put another video up. Thanks again for sharing my PSA, and happy flying. Bye.